Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about confusing words in English. So and such. This is Lisa. She's happy because it's a sunny day. It's so sunny. It's such a beautiful day outside. I think I'll go to the beach. Lisa goes to the beach and she's enjoying her day. The ocean is so beautiful and the water is so calm. Suddenly, clouds form, and she panics. Oh no! That's such a big cloud. This could be such a disaster. I'd better go home. Too bad. Teaching moment. Lisa talked about 3 different situations. Look at these examples. Which word is used with nouns and which word is used with adjectives? Pause the video and answer the questions. The word so is used for adjectives. The word such is used for nouns. Examples. The traffic was so heavy that we were stuck in the car for hours. The ice cream was so cold it gave me a brain freeze. He's such a kind person. He always goes out of his way to help others. She's such a skilled writer. Her words flow like poetry. In the last 2 examples, we use such plus adjective plus noun. We must use the noun, not just the adjective. Quiz time! Pause and fill in the blanks with so and such. Now you know the difference. Practice by sending me your sentences. Join my Telegram channel and send them there. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.